Here we go again. Car, no truck. We got 38 decking boards. 3 2x6x12s, 2 2x6x16s, 11 tough blocks. We met some wonderful people at Lowe's who are helping us. They are so wonderful to help us. Yeah, they're so wonderful to help us. What are you talking about, the truck?
Yeah.
This is my pops. I want you guys to look at the madness that is my house right now. Look at all the stuff. This is trash, but I'm just saying. All this stuff is going somewhere, but we're in the process of trying to get everything somewhere. Got to paint the house. Look at all this stuff. It is madness. It's the next morning. We out here trying to see what kind of difference we can make. Y'all, it look like the junkyard. You cannot see all the detail of all the mess that's out here. But today we're gonna burn. We're cutting up the walls that we were making the other shed with. We are painting. We're doing the deck. We're painting the house. As you can see, we put on another coat of the black because it's been needing to be finished forever. On this side, we put another coat on. I still have to do the boxing. Still need to do the boxing. So on the other side, we still need to put another coat and do the boxing. Started painting that rocking chair. Gotta finish it. Need to do that one. Need to seal this wood. And it's like 4 more sheets. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sheets like this. It's about, let's see, that's 4, about 16 feet. Just a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. We're probably gonna have to move that dirt that we brought back here. And all. Have to seal that wood over there. Anyway, we're gonna get started.